Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Leica DISTO D510 laser distance measurer and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first is troubleshooting. If this distance measurer is not working, or it is frozen or not responding, or if it's giving you sort of bad results that you know are bad, you can just reset everything to the default settings. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to wipe any information or data that is saved on it off, so that you can start again as though it were a brand new device. We can do that as well. So it's real easy. All you need to do in order to do the hard reset is first you need to enter the settings menu. And to do that, you're just going to come in and you're going to press the function button and then this top left button here, and that will enter you in the settings button. From there, you will actually see it with the arrows. You can navigate down to the factory reset option and select it. And then you will have an option to, on the left, cancel, or on the right, confirm. You will just confirm the factory reset on the right, and the device will be restored to its factory default settings.